Whether you're a creative enthusiast, engineer, or maker, this advanced 3D printing combo offers high-speed performance, multicolor printing, and smart automation, all designed to take your printing game to the next level. Effortless multicolor 3D printing. The Ace Pro comes with 4 filament slots, letting you print in 4 distinct colors without manually changing spools. Want more variety? Pair 2 Ace Pro units together and print in up to 8 colors. This gives you more design flexibility and reduces the need for post-print painting. For best results, it's recommended to use the same type of filament during each print job. Drying filament. While printing, forget external dryers. This machine dries filament while printing, 24/7. That means improved efficiency and better print quality without the hassle of wet filament, saving time and ensuring optimal material performance throughout your prints. Ultra-fast printing speeds. The Kobra S1 features up to 20,000 ms/s2 acceleration and prints at speeds of up to 600 ms/s. That's up to 12x faster than standard FDM printers, delivering precise models with exceptional detail in record time. Perfect for rapid prototyping and large projects. Advanced flow correction technology. With the built-in Anycubic Kobra OS flow compensation system, this printer ensures clean, smooth surfaces by automatically adjusting filament extrusion. It reduces overflows at corners, improves surface finish, and minimizes material waste, helping you achieve professional-grade results. Smart remote control via app. You can manage your print jobs from anywhere using the Anycubic app. Start prints with one click, monitor progress, and handle complex multi-part files easily with its multiplate document parsing support. It's all about convenience and control right at your fingertips.